Hello there, I am Theo from digitaltaxidermy.co.uk and I'm here to tell you about the Megaliths, which is our latest Kickstarter, tables worth of terrain for some sort of forgotten land. We've created a lot of sci-fi and industrial, dystopian, lots of huge metal buildings recently with a load of our Kickstarters, but this time round I wanted to branch out and create something a little bit different, lead to different scenarios to the kind of games that we've been playing recently. So I looked at megalithic structures from around the world. I wanted to create jagged rocks and different crevasses, cracked surfaces, huge monolithic structures to use as terrain and create a really interesting little tabletop. So I was really drawn towards the idea of a sort of deserted, possibly alien world with some sort of giant energy or magic that could be cracking through rocks. So I've had a huge amount of fun creating all this stuff, so I hope that you guys really enjoy it as well. So let me tell you a little bit more about the Megaliths. So what do you get? Well, there's a core set of 10 pieces, which include different sized pieces, large pieces to give you some height when you're playing field, other pieces like this that just give you little lines of sight, places to hide, partial cover, that sort of thing. So it can be used in a variety of ways on the battlefield. But beyond that, there's also going to be a load of stretch goals. We really want to push this campaign, see how far it's gone, like we've done with our previous Kickstarters. We really want to reward people for backing it, for spreading the word, and for supporting us. So we're going to have regular stretch goals, and we will continue that as far as the campaign goes. If there's something you want to see, we are really open to community feedback, like we've done with our previous Kickstarters, which have come up with some great ideas, which our backers have helped us come up with. So if there's something that you want to see, maybe it's just an idea for a scenario, a particular kind of building, something that you've been thinking about for a while, let us know. Even if it's not a fully formed idea, just like, I had this idea for this kind of token, or this way we could hide a squad, let us know, leave a comment, because it really helps us come up with better ideas to serve you guys, and it also really helps boost the Kickstarter project as well, which is always great because it's a win-win for everyone there. So printing, you will see that these are primarily designed for FDM printers. They will print completely support free, which is fantastic. But if you do have one of the larger resin printers, something like the Mono X or the Elegoo Saturn, we will be cutting these up so they can fit on that build plate as well. Some pieces would already fit on them, but other pieces will need a little bit of adjustment, but we'll do that to make sure that as many people can enjoy these. I personally have been printing them out on both FDM and on resin printers. I love the finish you get on resin, but I realise it's not always suitable for terrain pieces, so that's where we've decided to make this as open to as many different kinds of printing styles as we can. We've also tried to keep these designs as simple as possible, most of them print in one piece without a load of cleanup, without loads of assembly that would go with it as well. So hopefully these will be quite useful and easy to print pieces for anyone that wants them. Also, when I've been designing them, I've tried to keep all the cracks and crevices fairly prominent, which just makes it that little bit easier for painting. These are nice, easy rock textures, so with a bit of sponging, maybe a bit of airbrushing if you've got one, you can create some really nice, effective terrain without spending days and days printing, which is another great advantage of this set. I've really enjoyed painting them, and it's not taken me months and months to do the pieces I've done. So also, I've been thinking about the gameplay. We have various small and large pieces that we could use in this. Some of the models have removable parts, so you could use this as a little base or something like that. There's hiding places, different lines of sight that you could put some of your miniatures, which is always useful for creating ambushes or different scenarios that you might want to try. And to help that, our first stretch goal is going to be the objective tokens, just so you can add something else to your game, particularly for something like Stargrave, which is what I love to play. Those objective tokens can be really useful and just like a little bit more character to your game to fit in with the setting as well. All this stuff will be delivered through our website, digitaltaxidermy.co.uk. Normally about 10 days after the Kickstarter is finished, once we've got the details through from them, we will release the models. If you want to use this as a commercial tier, that you won't see that as part of the Kickstarter page, but there is a subscription service that will be running through digitaltaxidermy.co.uk, which is a much easier way because it's a year-long subscription that we're going to offer. If you want to manage that, continue it or discontinue it, depending on whatever you want to do, it's much easier to run that through our website. So head over to there and there'll be information on that website about how you can sign up. Also, during the campaign, we're going to be offering money off deals for our website for any other pieces which we think you might enjoy if you're enjoying this sort of terrain. So keep an eye out on the updates and your emails for that, because we really want to reward and say thank you to everyone that's backed this campaign and give them as great a deal as we possibly can. So, in summary, if you want to create a weird alien planet, a forgotten temple, a destroyed civilization, then this is the terrain for you. It's a multi-purpose piece of highly detailed, really lovingly produced set of terrain, which we want to offer you for quite a reasonable price as well. We'd love to see what you do with this. We've got loads of social media channels like our TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, where we're going to be sharing more information about this campaign for the next few weeks. So have a look at those. Head on over if you want to hear the latest information. But we're also going to be updating the Kickstarter page as well to tell you exactly about what's going on. So keep an eye on that if you are interested in finding out more about these fantastic pieces. So I hope you like them. I hope this has intrigued you. We'd love it if you could support this project, because we want to see how far we can go with these models. Thank you very much. Bye.